So here we have a Nintendo Switch that was recently dropped in the toilet. And after 3 days of letting the Switch completely dry out, I decided let's try to turn it back on, but nothing worked. So what I started to do was look online to buy a Switch. I thought this one was just toast. And they're really hard to find in stock. You can find them on eBay used for at least $300. And then it occurred to me, what if it's just something so simple like the battery? And to test this theory, what I have here is the factory Nintendo charger, okay? So let's plug it in. And as you can see, nothing is happening. But let's try to power on the Switch. So that's a good sign, but look at the battery. It's not being charged. We don't see that charging symbol. So maybe the battery just needs to be replaced. So I jumped on YouTube and looked up how to replace the battery for the Nintendo Switch. I've never done this before, and this took me less than 10 minutes to get to this point. There are excellent videos showing on how to do this. It's very, very simple. So now I have a new battery. I first want to test and see if that's the issue. So this is the battery I purchased off Amazon. It was less than $20. I'll include a link in the description box below. No one is paying me or promoting me to do this. I paid this with my own money just to see if it works, and if it does, to help anyone else watching this. So we have instructions, the battery. It did come in a box. I just removed it here for the video, along with the tools. So right here we have a harness connector, and the kit comes with this plastic tool. So let's first just remove this old connector. There we go. And I don't want to waste my time swapping out the battery and so forth. I first want to test if this is going to work. So I have the new battery. Let's go ahead and just plug it in. Okay, flip it back over. And let's see if it turns on. Okay, so that's a very good sign. Battery looks good. Now, let's see if it's charging. So once again, the factory Nintendo charger. Let's plug it in. And that's great. Now we have that charging symbol. Let's see if the volume works. Can I do this without... Oh. Okay, so the sound works. So that's a very good sign. Let me swap out the battery, put everything back together, attach the joysticks, and see if this is fully functional once again. So here we are roughly 15 minutes later. Let's power on the Switch and just see if the sound works, the controls work, so on and so forth. And, you know, give this a shot. Maybe this will help you save a ton of money and get up and running again. So that's good. I think this is on here.
Super Mario!
Okay, so the sound works. That's great. That works. This works. Let's just quickly test it. Okay, that's good. That works. That works. That works. That works. I'm not sure what this does. That works. Home works. Everything looks like it's in great shape. If this helps a number of you out there, please leave comments just so we can help other people. And I sincerely hope this helps you, and thank you for watching.